Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho to your WordPress, and basically this whole integration is quite simple. You of course can sign up to Zoho, but first go ahead to your WordPress and click on plugins and add a new plugin. Now what you want to search for is Zoho. As you can see, they have a lot of products, but what you need is scroll down until you see Zoho subscriptions, and you want to click install now and activate. Now what you want to do is go ahead to your installed plugins, and now as you can see there's Zoho subscriptions. You can view the details of it. Now you of course need to do a little bit more. Now you will navigate to the left side here and click on Zoho subscriptions, and now you will choose the domain for which you access your Zoho subscriptions. So it's either this or any other, and then you will enter the connector key. You can find your domain and connector key by going to Zoho subscriptions on settings, integration, other apps, and WordPress integration. So, which means you will need to sign into your Zoho. So you want to sign into your Zoho subscriptions. It looks like this. Then you're going to click settings right here, and then you're going to scroll down until you see integrations and marketplace. Click other apps, and then here's a WordPress integration. So now you see your domain, and let's copy the connector key. Now you go back here, choose the domain, enter the key, and click save. Now this has been updated successfully. And now, as you can see, you can start to embed hosted payment pages. So you can embed your payment pages by including the following shortcode while drafting or editing a page, post in WordPress. So you basically want to copy and paste the shortcut above in the WordPress editor. And then next, replace the basic shortcode with your plan code. And as you can see, you can find your plan code in Zoho subscriptions in your products. So yeah, that's basically it. And if this video was helpful, guys, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.